In our daily lives, we are confronted with a myriad of events and circumstances that leave us in awe, moments that appear too remarkable to be merely a product of chance. Yet, in our society, we have been conditioned to brush off such occurrences as mere coincidences. But have you ever paused to question why? Even the most astute minds, the scientists who dedicate their lives to unraveling the mysteries of the universe, find themselves grappling with the definition of coincidence. It is a concept that eludes precise definition, slipping through the fingers of rationality and understanding. In our quest to understand the nature of synchronicities, it is crucial to examine historical examples that demonstrate how personal biases and preconceived notions can lead experts to dismiss meaningful patterns. One such example takes us back to the early 20th century, a time when the scientific community grappled with the theory of continental drift. Proposed by the German geophysicist Alfred Wegener, the theory of continental drift posited that the Earth's continents were once part of a supercontinent called Pangaea, which gradually broke apart and drifted to their current positions over millions of years. However, when Wegener presented his compelling evidence supporting this theory, the scientific establishment reacted with skepticism and even derision. Instead of embracing the idea of continents in motion, the prevailing belief among scientists at the time was rooted in the concept of a lost land bridge. They postulated that the continents were connected by submerged land masses that had subsequently vanished. This notion seemed more plausible to the scientific community, and they dismissed Wegener's theory as mere coincidence or conjecture. Despite facing rejection and ridicule, Wegener persisted in his research, collecting additional evidence from various fields such as geology, paleontology, and climatology. His evidence included the fitting shapes of the continents, matching geological formations on opposing coastlines, and the distribution of fossils across separate continents. Nevertheless, the scientific community remained resistant to Wegener's ideas. Personal biases and a reluctance to challenge long-held beliefs perpetuated the dismissal of continental drift. It wasn't until decades later, after new discoveries and advancements in scientific understanding, that Wegener's theory began to gain traction. This historical example serves as a powerful reminder that even experts, armed with knowledge and expertise, can be blinded by their own preconceived notions. The dismissal of continental drift illustrates how personal biases can hinder the recognition of meaningful patterns in the world around us. To truly grasp the profound nature of synchronicities, let us immerse ourselves in the personal story of Paul, a story that illuminates the transformative power of these meaningful occurrences. Paul's journey began with a seemingly ordinary encounter, the discovery of a dollar bill bearing his girlfriend's name. At first, Paul brushed it off as a peculiar coincidence, a random twist of fate. Yet, as their relationship blossomed and deepened, the significance of this event gradually unfurled before his eyes. He couldn't ignore the mysterious alignment between external events and the intimate realm of his emotions. Paul's experience echoes the insights of Swiss psychologist Carl Jung, who coined the term synchronicity. According to Jung, synchronicities offer a tantalizing glimpse into a deeper order that extends beyond the boundaries of conventional cause and effect. Jung believed that synchronicities occur when there is a meaningful connection between external events and our inner landscape of thoughts, emotions, and intentions. They serve as poignant reminders of the intricate interplay between the outer world and our inner realms. In these moments, the seemingly separate threads of our existence converge, revealing the underlying unity of the universe. To truly grasp the profound nature of synchronicities, we must embark on a journey into the philosophical underpinnings that support this extraordinary phenomenon. At the heart of these ideas lies the belief that life is not a series of random events, but rather an expression of a unified and interconnected universe. Carl Jung held steadfast to this belief. Jung's concept of a unified and interconnected universe finds resonance with the ancient philosophers and spiritual teachers who recognized the inherent oneness of all existence. They saw beyond the illusion of separateness and recognized that everything in the cosmos is intricately interwoven, each part playing a unique role in the grand tapestry of creation. This concept, often referred to as unus mundus, or the one world, posits that beneath the apparent diversity and multiplicity lies an underlying unity, a unity that transcends boundaries, cultures, and even time itself. It suggests that the web of existence connects us all, weaving us into a cosmic symphony where every individual, every event, and every synchronicity is but a vital note contributing to the harmonious melody of the universe. To deepen our understanding of synchronicities, let us draw a parallel to the wisdom of Pythagoras, the ancient Greek philosopher who envisioned a universal structure governed by numbers. Pythagoras believed that numbers held intrinsic meaning and that they formed the very fabric of the cosmos. Pythagoras' concept of a harmonious cosmos, aligned with the principles of mathematics, resonates with Carl Jung's understanding of synchronicity. Jung recognized that synchronicities, with their uncanny timing and meaningful connections, can serve as a gateway to shift our conscious thinking and connect with a greater universal awareness. Just as Pythagoras saw patterns and relationships in numbers, synchronicities reveal the hidden patterns and relationships that underlie the events and circumstances of our lives. They invite us to transcend the limitations of linear thinking and embrace a more holistic understanding of reality. In this grand design, synchronicities act as guideposts, beckoning us to expand our consciousness and tap into the deep well of universal wisdom. They invite us to explore the interconnectedness of all things, recognizing that we are not isolated beings, but integral parts of a vast and intricate web of existence. Let us now turn our attention to an awe-inspiring aspect of synchronicities, the remarkable alignment of the physical laws and mathematical constants that govern our universe. It poses an intriguing question. Is it merely coincidental that the very fabric of our reality appears finely tuned to support the existence of life? Scientists have delved deep into the mysteries of the cosmos, uncovering what they refer to as a fine-tuned universe. It is a universe where a delicate balance of numerous parameters has conspired to create the conditions necessary for life to flourish. The notion of a finely calibrated universe raises profound questions about the nature of our reality. As we marvel at the intricate balance of physical laws and constants, we are led to consider the possibility that our existence is not a random occurrence, but rather an intricately designed framework that enables life to thrive. Contemplating the fine-tuned nature of our universe ignites a sense of wonder, evoking visions of a cosmic blueprint meticulously crafted to support the emergence of life. It challenges us to question whether synchronicities, those meaningful patterns interwoven in our lives, are part of this grand design, a tapestry of interconnectedness guiding us along our personal journeys. Could it be that synchronicities serve as the gentle nudges, the signposts, and the synchronistic encounters that arise precisely when needed to propel us forward on our paths of growth and self-discovery? Could they be the whispers of a greater intelligence, gently guiding us toward our fullest potential? As we navigate the intriguing realm of synchronicity, we are drawn to explore the captivating field of numerology, a discipline that delves into the significance of recurring numbers appearing in our lives. Numerologists propose that these numbers carry profound messages from the universe, guiding us along our path of self-discovery and growth. Numerology reveals that numbers possess inherent vibrational energies and symbolic meanings. When we notice a particular number appearing repeatedly in our lives, it is often referred to as an angel number. These angel numbers are believed to convey messages and insights that can illuminate our journey, offering valuable guidance and revealing hidden opportunities. Each angel number holds its own distinct meaning, drawing upon the unique attributes and qualities associated with its numerical symbolism. For example, the number 111 is often associated with manifestation and alignment with one's true purpose, while 888 signifies abundance and financial prosperity. These numbers act as gentle whispers from the universe, encouraging us to pay attention and providing us with valuable insights into our current circumstances and future possibilities. However, it is crucial to remember that the interpretation of angel numbers is a highly personal and intuitive process. While numerologists provide guidance on the general meanings associated with specific numbers, it is ultimately up to each individual to discern the resonance and significance of these numbers in their own lives. As we continue on our individual paths, it is vital that we cultivate an open mind and a keen attentiveness to the synchronicities that grace our lives. These meaningful patterns and connections have the potential to unveil profound insights, reveal hidden opportunities, and deepen our understanding of the vast tapestry in which we are intricately woven.